Hi, today I'm going to show you how to simulate your Nucleus project without an actual PLC. To do that, I like to use a Modbus simulator and then in Nucleus use the Modbus protocol or the driver to talk to your local or on the network your Modbus simulator. So I'm going to do everything on my laptop and I'm going to run Nucleus as a virtual machine. I like to use this ModbusTcpClient. This is a simulator I found on the internet, which is free, and you can use it for 45 minutes or you can pay for the license. And you can easily find a lot of Modbus simulator on the internet, where you can download the install file or you can buy a license for a program which does pretty much the same thing, simulating the Modbus device. You can go to SourceForge to download a version of this simulator, or you can go to GitHub and do the same and download the file. For this demonstration purpose, I already installed this, and you can see all the holding registers that I have. You can just enter values manually and to simulate different Modbus registers. But I like to use a script to just simulate the Modbus registers. I like to use Jupyter Lab to do that. Lab dash. So it's just a script that I wrote in Jupyter Lab. It's a Python program or script that I use. Just point to the ModbusTcpClient and library, and then point to your local IP address and just loop through the 5 registers in my case to oscillate the values. I'm going to paste this code into the description section of the video. Go ahead and run this piece of script so you can see these values are changing. So you can do pretty much anything you like with the script to simulate an actual PLC. So next I'm going to open up Nucleus. I'm going to open a project. The simulator is good for testing something in your Nucleus project when you don't have access to a PLC. You can quickly create a communication and build a project quickly. So after I open a project, I go to the comps builder. I'll pick the first group. Go to edit. Here I have this IP address. I'd like to copy. So this Nucleus developer is running on a virtual machine, and my Modbus simulator is running on my laptop on the host. So to do that, do a new, select the Modbus protocol, TCP. There are a few things you need to change. Of course, you need to change this to something else other than source. And the address of the simulator. I leave this as 1 base. You can change it to 0 base. I'm going to use 1 base since my simulator is 1 base. And then you can set up some read. I'm going to quickly set it to 10 registers. On the right, I'm going to do the same. Let's save this. So everything looks good. I'm going to close this, highlight this and go to test mode. And I'm going to start communications. So you can see it's communicating already. So you see I'm reading the values from the simulator. On the control side or on the right register, I'm going to write some values 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. See what happened. Not seeing the values. So nice. What happened? Stop communication and see what I did on the computer. Okay, so I made a mistake here. Should have got this 10 starting point at 10. Save this. Start communication again. 3, 5, 6, 7, 9. And that's it. Make a little bit mistake, but it's pretty straightforward to do simulations with the Modbus simulator. Thank you for watching.